Hi all, welcome to this channel. So in this session, I'm going to show another interesting tool in Alteryx, that is crosstab. What is the functionality of crosstab? So the crosstab tool, you can see this in the transform window. So if you go and see the tools present over here, you can see the input, output, preparation, join, pass, and transform. Within this transform, you can find the crosstab. So cross tab, drag this cross tab to the canvas. And there is another tool called transpose. So these two functions, the functionality of these two is inverse of each other. Okay, so regarding the transpose tool, I'll show it in the next session. Let's discuss about the cross tab in this section. So before doing the cross tab, let's drag the input data. And I'm going to feed an Excel data here. So this is an Excel sheet and that is fed as input to this tool. And I'll show you how the input looks like. So the input basically has 4 columns, that is the product ID, weekdays, revenue, and the manufacturer. So what is the problem statement here? So what I need is, say product ID 1 was sold on Monday with revenue 100. Okay, and again, if you see here, the product ID 1 was sold on Tuesday and the revenue generated was 412. And there is a manufacturer column, and let's ignore this for the current statement. Okay, so now what I need is the output should have the weekdays as the columns and the revenue, respective revenue for each of those weekdays. Okay, so how I'll just show you in this crosstab. This is similar to the Excel pivot table. Okay, so I'll just keep the product ID, the select statement, and then I need the column header as weekdays. That is, the column header is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Thursday, and Friday. And the value is the revenue. So this is the aggregated value. I just need sum of revenue, and I need to run the flow. Okay, got it. So if you can see here, there is a column of product ID and the weekdays here. So say product ID 1, which was sold on Monday with 100, and it was sold on Tuesday and the revenue was 412. And we can see a lot of nulls here. So what are we going to do with this null? So I would like to replace it with zeros so that it is easier to understand. And so let's go. Okay. I'll just select all the days of the week and replace it with 0 and then run the flow. So if you can see here, now this is easier to understand. So all these values are replaced with, either you can replace with zeros or you can replace it with null or with a blank space, whatever you would like to do. So how the input was, if you see the input looked like this: the product ID, weekdays, revenue, and manufacturer. And the output is in this fashion. So it's easier to understand. Say the product ID 2 was sold on Saturday and it generated revenue of 635. And this was also sold on Monday, Tuesday with a revenue of 500. So this is like a pivot table in Excel. So this is the functionality of crosstab. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to this channel. And if you have any queries or doubts, please write back to us. That's all regarding this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching.